Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to use Canva to create a team presentation. If you're new to my channel and want more helpful Canva tutorials, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So, let's get started. First of all, open Canva. Once you open it, the Canva dashboard will appear. Here, you will see an option called Custom Size. Click on it. After that, enter the width and height according to your requirement. Then click on Create New Design. A blank canvas will open. Now, from here, we will start creating an animated presentation. Go to the background color option and choose any color from here. I selected this color, but it is a little dark. Now I will go to Add New Color and make this color slightly lighter. Go to the Elements tab and search for Square. After that, go to Shapes and select the square shape from there. Now drag the square and increase its size. Then go to the color option and change its color. After that, go to Stroke Style and add a stroke. Change the stroke color. I am setting it to white here. Finally, go to the corner option and increase the corner rounding size. After that, go to the Text tab and add a heading, as I am typing, Meet Our Team. Then go to the Font Style option and select any font of your choice. I have chosen Roboto here. Next, drag the text and move it to the top. After that, change the text color to white. After that, go to the Elements tab again and type triangle. Then go to the Shapes section and select the triangle. Next, change its color to a slightly darker shade so it stands out on the canvas. Then rotate the triangle. After that, add a stroke to the same shape and set the stroke color to white. Go to the corner option and increase the corner rounding size. Now, reduce the size of the shape, and I am increasing the corner rounding a bit more to give the shape a better look. Go to the Elements tab and type Circle. Then go to the Shapes section and select the circle. Next, change its color. After that, add a stroke and set the stroke color to white. Now, add text inside the circle. Change the text color to white and increase the text size. Finally, drag the circle and increase its size so the text fits nicely and looks well adjusted. Go to the Font Style option and change the font style of the text. Next, duplicate the triangle shape. After that, duplicate the circle. Change the text in the duplicated circle, then duplicate it again and update the text in the new duplicate as well. Go to the Elements tab and type Frame. Then go to the Frames section and select any frame. I have chosen this frame. Next, increase the size of the frame and adjust its position. After that, go to Stroke Style, add a stroke, and change its color. I have set it to white. After that, click on the page, then click on the three dots. From there, click Duplicate and create 3 duplicates of the page. Add text to the page and adjust its size. Then go to Uploads and drag any image you want to add into the frame. After that, double-click on the image to adjust it within the frame. Repeat the same process on the following pages by adding images to the frames in the same way. After that, click on the second page and change the text. Then click on the third page, add text, and adjust its size. Click on the fourth page and decrease the size of the frame. Then create 2 duplicates of this frame. Adjust all 3 frames on the page as needed. After that, go to Uploads and add images into all 3 frames. Add text to the last page. Then go back to the first page. Keep the first triangle and delete the second and third triangles. Now click on the second page, keep the second triangle and delete the first and third triangles. Now click on the third page, keep the third triangle and delete the first and second triangles. Go to the first page and click on Add Transition. Then select Match and Move. Next, increase the duration and click Apply between all pages. After that, click on Preview. Now the team presentation will be ready. If you like the video, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful Canva tutorials.